Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Movo VX-R10 Pro. And so this is a great microphone to put on top of your camera or to use with your smartphone. Doesn't require any power, which is nice. Mainly got this microphone for its windscreen abilities. So it comes with both a foam, black foam, which you see, it's hard to see, but it is in here within this fuzzy foam, fuzzy windscreen. So in order to use the fuzzy one, you have to have the black one in it. So this is hard to do with one hand, and I don't want to rip it, but there you can see the edge of the foam, the black foam, which is inside this fuzzy gray one. So that is for the windscreen. This does a really good job, and I'll demo it later. So you have the mount here. It's a hot shoe mount. Most DSLR cameras have the hot shoe mount. Very good shock absorbency here. This is just a bit tough to get on, but the good thing is that you can swing the camera around how you want, and it will not come out of this thing. I have no worries about it coming out of this clip. And you really have to push down here pretty hard to get that to fit. Like that. So it is a bit of a struggle, but once you get it in there, it's on there. It's not going anywhere at all. So that's the mic clip. Let's get back to what you have in this wonderful case here. And so you have two cables. You have one to connect to your camera. They're all identified with this. It's got the camera one has a 3-ring sleeve, and the one for the microphone has a 4-ring sleeve. And you also get one for the smartphone. The microphone has a 4-ring sleeve like in the other one, and you also have a 4-ring sleeve for the smartphone. So this is very important. I had it connected the wrong way around once, and I got no sound from my video. So really make sure which end you have plugged into what, because this can really screw up your video. And you have this carrying case with, put the cables and things in there. And it's a nice simple black carrying case. You got the Movo logo. It's like semi-rigid. It's not like a soft foam case. It's like it's got a rigid part in there, so it protects the things that are inside. All right, so this is a test into the DSLR. This is with the Movo mic plugged into the DSLR. Now the DSLR has automatic sound on it right now. And so the internal compressor of the camera will be doing its work, achieving maximum volume without clipping. And this is the sound of the Movo mic. So I'm going to unplug it right now and see if there's any difference. So I've just unplugged the Movo mic. So this is the sound from the Canon EOS AT-D camera, the internal microphone on the camera. I believe it's a stereo microphone setup right above the lens. This is how it sounds like. And now I will plug the microphone back in. Like that's it. It's Movo mic is going in. So this is the Movo mic. What you're hearing is the Movo mic right now. Let's hear in the post-production if there is any significant volume or sound quality change. All right. Okay, so this is the camera microphones that are recording right now. I've set the sound recording to manual, so that means there's no compressor managing the sound input in the camera. So that gives you a truer sense of what the different mics sound like when you're comparing the camera microphone to the Movo mic. Now I'm going to plug the Movo mic cable into the input. So now this is the Movo mic, this is the Movo mic, and testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. I'm going to unplug it again. This is the camera microphone. This is the camera microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Movo microphone. This is the Movo microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. So let's see in post-production if there's any difference between the two sounds. Camera internal microphones versus the Movo mic. Alright, so I'm on my bicycle here. I have the Movo mic into the camera and I'm going to go down this hill at a relatively fast pace, and so I have the windscreen, both the black film and the fuzzy screen on there, and so we're going to test the wind resistance of the Movo mic. So here we go. Gotta go through these barricades here and onto this gravel. So there you go. That's a pretty good test for how the Movo mic resists to wind. So I hope you got some value out of this video, and okay, yeah, so I recommend this mic for a DSLR type microphone setup. You can put it into the hot shoe mount, or if you have a cell phone and you're recording with that, well, you need some kind of mount structure to mount the Movo mic onto. It's really meant as a mic that you place. It's not a handheld mic. You really need to place it on some kind of structure, either the top of a DSLR or if you have a smartphone, you need that some kind of holder, or I've seen some frames that you can buy. You put the cell phone in there and there's a mounting structure on top with a hot shoe mount that you can slip that Movo mic into with the shock mount. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I wish you have a fantastic, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one.